Question 22. In a maths exam with n questions, you score m marks for a correct answer to each of the first q questions, and m plus 2 marks for a correct answer to each of the remaining questions. What is the maximum possible score? Now, this actually reflects the scoring system for this particular paper. So this is a way of finding an algebraic expression to describe your maximum possible score for this paper, which I think is interesting. So there are n questions. There are m marks. And you've got a score of, lost my way, q questions, each of the first q questions. So m multiplied by q, and you've got n, so this is the first q questions you get m for. So you've got this for the first set of questions, the first q questions. And then for the next set of questions, we've got m plus 2. So this is the number of marks, this is the number of questions. This is the number of marks for the last set, and n subtract q, because you've got the total number of questions on the paper, subtract the number of questions that you've already scored here. And so we're going to expand this. Now, personally, I prefer to expand two brackets using a multiplication grid. You can do your claw or whatever system you use, rainbow, lots of people call it lots of different things, where you you do this. I personally like putting it in here, because particularly when they're unfamiliar letters and combinations of letters, this allows me to see it better. So m capital N subtract, I've got a 2 and an n. No, I've got a positive, sorry, add 2n. And then I've got negative mq or qm, and then negative 2q. I'm going to put that all in a row. I've got mq, this is mq or qm, so I'm going to write mq, add, and then all of this, mn plus 2n subtract mq, subtract 2q. So I've got an mq there, subtract mq, so I can actually just subtract both of those. And then I've got those 3 terms there. So I'm going to do 2n plus mn subtract 2q. And then I can take a factor of 2 out. So I'm just going to rearrange this so that I can see my factor better. Oh, no, not like that. I'm not going to take a factor of 2 out. I'm going to take a factor of n out, which is, I could do from there. Right, try again. Equals, take the factor of n out of this. 2 plus m subtract 2q, and that, if we rearranged it to be, it's all just in a funny, it's the same, but I can use commutativity just to change these around. This is actually answer